Hello guys, this is very simple and straightforward repair. The iPhone 12 mini, which there is no sound from the ear speaker, and if you replace the whole cable like this one here, then your Face ID won't work. So I will just show you how to remove just the speaker and put new speaker on. This is the original cable here. And we have to make sure these parts not damaged, and the only place where I can see its solder is just here. So now what I will be doing is, so that I make sure I'm doing it right way, I will remove the speaker from the new cable, so that while doing that I will also see where else this cable is connected and where I have to be careful while removing the cable. So this is the new cable. And the first thing is I have to check what this part is. So we will check it once I desolder from here. First of all, I will hold this with a reversed user so that it doesn't move up and I can work easily. Okay. That came out. Now this cable is okay. This looks like to me proximity sensor. Yep, so I have to be careful. It's like sort of sticky here. So before I will move it here, and then now I will tint these pads. Just a little bit of flux, not too much, because we don't want the flux to go into the speaker. That can damage it. Just lower the temperature to 300 degrees. Okay, that nicely tinted. Now the next thing is we will get the original cable. Put it aside. This is the original cable. Hold the speaker. So just be very careful with the original cable, you don't want to break it, otherwise no Face ID. Okay, that's desoldered. And the next thing is remove this cable here. I will put it here like this. Now we will get the new speaker. Hold it here. As you know, we have already tinted, so we will put this here so that we can, it's on the right space, see, like this. So we'll get the tweezer. Okay, as you can see, that is nicely soldered. Before we put it, I would like to give it a clean and make sure this area is clean and dry. Now we will put it back and then we will test if we have got the sound in the ear speaker. Okay guys, so let it turn down and then we will check if there is any sound. So first thing, as you can see, the Face ID is not affected. So Face ID is all good. I will put the password. Customer's phone, so I can't show you the password. Come on. I don't want Face ID, I want the number. David? Okay, yeah, I can put.
Call your number.
Now you can call from here, from my phone. This is the number, right? Now we will. Okay, so that's ringing. I will take the call. And now I will put my mic here. David, can you speak?
Hello. Yes, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. I hope that's recorded well, and I will check as well myself. Yeah, all loud and clear. Okay, thank you, David. Yeah, okay, guys, that's all for today. So thanks for watching the video. See you in next video. Bye.